Aloo Gobi ki sabji in Punjabi style. This is simple yet delicious cauliflower potato wedge. It's vegan, gluten-free and without onion garlic. Try it once and I believe you'd surely like it. You can note down the ingredients from the description box. For pro tips, watch the video till end. In a pan, heat mustard oil to the smoking point. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. When they begin to crackle, add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger and saute for 30 seconds. Now add 2 green chillies followed by diced potatoes and saute for 2 minutes. Cover and cook potatoes 5 to 6 minutes on low-medium flame until they are half done. Now add cauliflower florets and mix well. Toss the wedge gently. Then add salt to taste. 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon haldi, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon Aamchoor. Toss the wedge gently and carefully to mix all of them well. Avoid using spatula to mix. Cover and cook for 5 to 6 minutes and then add 1 heaped teaspoon ghee to wedge and mix well. Cover and cook for 5 to 6 minutes more until it's fully done. You can check it by breaking 1 piece of potato if it's done. Avoid using water as cauliflower will lose its own moisture for steaming. In last, add 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala to wedge and mix well. Aloo Gobi is ready to serve now. You can sprinkle some green coriander leaves while serving. Enjoy! Don't forget to see the pro tips. For best taste, use mustard oil for cooking this vegetable and always heat it till smoking point in starting. Blanch gobi for 30 seconds in salty boiling water before use. Don't add cauliflower until potatoes are half done, as cauliflower will take less time to cook. Don't add water in vegetable as gobi will leave its own moisture while cooking. Most important, don't skip step to add ghee in last as it will enhance the taste in a great way. Do try this recipe and let us know in comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.